Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and today I'm going to be talking about the BUBLUE Bubot 300P Pull Robot Vacuum. This is an excellent device. Very simple, but very powerful. Basically, it does one thing and does it great. It runs along the bottom of your pool and vacuums up all the debris, the leaves, the dirt, the insects, dog hair, all that stuff. Pulls it up in here, traps it up in here so that you can get it out of your swimming pool and off your swimming pool floor. Now this works only on flat bottom pools, so great for above ground pools, or if you're like me, you have an in-ground pool that's all one depth, so has a flat bottom, it'll work great in that too. Has very strong suction power, has two brushes on the bottom that kind of help guide stuff towards that mouth of the vacuum, and it just really powerful, sucks up everything that it comes in contact with, traps it inside of here. Now it's running on a just not like a smart algorithm where it tries to detect the pull. It just goes back and forth and around using a very sort of random pattern, but not completely random. If the default pattern isn't working great for your pool, you can adjust the wheels and it'll put it into a different pattern. But it runs for about an hour and a half on a charge, so it's great for pools up to around 150 square feet or so. It will cover your floor. Some spots it'll go over probably 10-15 times. Other spots it'll go over maybe 5 to 7 times. But in the end, it's going to cover every square inch of your pool and pick up all that debris. It does a really great job of that. Several reasons why I love this particular robot by Bubot or by BUBLUE better than a lot of the other similar ones is, one, it runs very smoothly. When it's running on the bottom of the pool, it's a very smooth, it's not herky-jerky like some of the other ones are, and it doesn't go too fast or too slow. It's like the perfect amount where it's going at a good speed, but really sucking up stuff. Two, when it gets to the edge of the pool, it detects the edge immediately and turns and goes the other way. I've had other versions, other companies' versions of this where they would get to the edge of the pool and they'd sit there for like 5, 10, 15 seconds before it would really realize it's at the edge, and that's wasting power doing that and just not as efficient. This Bubot, as soon as it gets to the edge, it detects the edge immediately and then turns and starts going the other way, which is great. Another thing that I love about it is it has this nice cool floating handle that they give you to come with it. It has a handle in here used to carry it, and then this floating handle attaches to it so that when it's done doing its thing, you don't have to necessarily use a pole to pull it out of the bottom of the pool. You just grab this handle and pull it out. Now this is one of the really cool features about this is the way that this comes out of the swimming pool. A lot of the other ones, when you pull them out, they're full of water and the water doesn't come out very well and they're really heavy. This is designed in such a way so that when you pull it out using this handle, this part is facing the pool. You're going to see the water just flows out of there so quickly, but it doesn't flow dirt and debris back into your pool. The water flows out really quickly, but the dirt and the debris stays trapped inside here. That is an excellent design. This is the first pool robot of this style that I've seen that does that well. It works great. So when you pull it out, it's very lightweight. The water is poured out really quickly and all the debris and gunk is trapped inside. Then you just take this top off. It snaps off really easily, and take it over, rinse out the basin, rinse off the screen, then you put it back together, let it dry, charge it up, and then you're ready to go the next time. Really excellent product by Bubot. If you're looking for a swimming pool cleaner for your above ground pool or your in-ground pool with a flat bottom, and you're looking for something that'll just run across the bottom in an hour and a half, pick up all that dirt and debris, get it out of your pool, then the Bubot 300P Robotic Vacuum Cleaner is definitely a product that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. And if you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist so you can keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, just post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.